Every time I wear this foundation stick, when I tell you, I get so many compliments. Skin look like a baby's booty, like, you know what I'm saying? Skin looks smooth, no pores. Like, baby, this right here, let's put those two fingers together.
You see how this? So I just go in, cover my little marks. I got a little piece of chin hair down here somewhere, but I ain't got time. I gotta get to work. I gotta get there on time. Okay. It's kind of do, and do. Okay, do it.
Then I go in with my little spray. I just got me a new bottle from Ulta. Looking like before I even blend it in. So boom, we gonna go. We gonna make sure she stay in place all day while I'm at work. This is the Expert's face brush or whatever. Spray this on my brush before going in. I wanna do these in the camera, okay? So pretty much, I just press it into my skin. Everywhere I put the foundation. Baby, you see how this? Do you see how is this blender? And I work in the general public, so literally, I'm getting compliments all day. She told me that my makeup look like I got my makeup professionally done. And I was like, sometimes I like to think I am a professional, okay? Period. Thank you. Make sure I blend in as much as it needs to be. I ain't got nothing but drawers and sports bra on. And I'm just in the mirror window. Look, folks probably looking at me. I don't give a damn. Shape what your mama gave you. Get them little spots. Makeup over my little chin hair so you can't really see it. It's just one, then it's sprouted out, yeah. Go in with my extensionist, okay? Telescopic L'Oreal Paris. You know, really like take it in using what I got, okay? So, but this really makes it happen. Look at that magic. Hold on, let me get in the light. Baby, extensions for what? Baby, when I got L'Oreal extensionist, this is my work makeup, you know what I'm saying? Everyday work makeup. Real simple, to the point, nothing too much. Get the job done and still be cute. Then I do get them bottom lashes too. Let me see what's on my lips too. These little things I got from TikTok Shop, which is the apple peony lip oil, nourishing and tinting. So it give it like a little tint to your lip. Juvia's Place. This is my bronzer palette. Y'all got to excuse me because I'm just walking with my phone in my hand, okay? This is real in uncut makeup, okay? So use whatever brush you have, okay, to get the job done. So this is like a blush brush, okay? So I get this and I go in both of the colors because these are the colors right here. And I just hit, boom. So it's still giving me a makeup look without having a makeup look. You know what I'm saying?
My other vanity, so I can sit down and do my makeup. Hopefully it'll be here soon. That's another story for another day. About that vanity set, y'all. This brush right here, and then I dip it into my bronzer palette. If I miss it, it don't even matter, child. But just to give myself a little, yeah.
Just a little bit.
Put some right over there.
Yeah, not too much. Just a little bit. Got a little eye booger right now. I mean, with the brown pencil.
Not going to put any lipstick on today because I want to give my baby, before I leave, a long drawn out kiss before I leave. So I'm just going to keep the tint. Oh yeah, my favorite part. Yeah, this is the MAC Gold Deposit. Yeah, so I love this.
Just a little bit right there. A little glow, you know what I'm saying? Juvia's Place. Yeah, this is Burkina.
So I'm trying to learn all these names, honey. I just know what the product do, honey. I don't know about no names. I just know what they do.
Press powder. Not press powder. What do you call it?
I brush I did my my foundation with.
Put it all in place.
People be talking about they don't have time to do their makeup before they go to work, but I mean, make time to do it because you're going to work looking plain, regular, in a mess. God, put some makeup. I see people all the time. Celebrities, any and everybody. And I want to be looking good, okay?
Again, Charlotte Tilbury.
And sometimes I use this too, but I'm not going to use it. This is like the powder milk.
Why not? Well, the primer that I use is going to always and forever be my little F because I got to go.
So, if Carly is coming at me with a genuine heart and openness, I'm open to...
In the end into my video.
Don't talk, but, you know, obviously I've seen...
Got off work a little earlier today, but I got here at 4:15 and it is now 7 o'clock. So yeah, makeup still tea, honey.